Most people know Korean japchae as a sweet and savory noodle dish. But did you know there's also a spicy version? Unlike a traditional japchae, you don't have to cook each ingredient separately, and it's almost as easy as making instant noodles. Today, I will show you how to make an easy spicy japchae at home. Let's get started. First, soak sweet potato noodles in warm water for about 30 minutes. While the noodles are soaking, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons corn syrup, half a tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, 1 tablespoon gochujang, 2 tablespoons mirin, and a little black pepper. We'll add the sesame oil at the end, so leave it out for now. Mix everything well and set it aside. Now let's prepare the other ingredients. Slice half an onion into medium thin strips. Julienne 1/4 of a carrot. Cut 1 over 2 fish cake pieces into thin strips. Prepare a handful or 2 of spinach for freshness and color. Once the noodles have finished soaking, all of the ingredients are ready. Pour 2 cups of water into a pan. Add the sauce and bring it to a boil. Once the sauce starts bubbling, add the soaked noodles. Then add the onion, carrot, and fish cake. Cook over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. As the noodles cook, they will absorb all of that flavor sauce. That's why soaking the noodles first is important. Continue cooking until most of the liquid has reduced and only a small amount remains in the pan. Now add the spinach. Mix it gently for about 30 seconds. Try not to overcook the spinach. It will keep a brighter color and better texture. Turn up the heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Give everything a good mix. Adding sesame oil at the end gives the dish a wonderful nutty aroma and slightly softens the spicy flavor. Finish with a generous sprinkle of sesame seeds. The aroma at this point is absolutely amazing. My mouth is already watering. The combination of the sweet and spicy sauce with the chewy noodles is absolutely delicious. I recommend making only as much as you plan to eat. This dish is at its best when served fresh and warm. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you give this recipe a try this weekend. See you in the next recipe.